Hello, and welcome to Learnify TV, the channel that brings you the most fascinating educational content. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the blue planet we call home, the Earth. From its history and geology to the atmosphere and biosphere, we will explore everything there is to know about this incredible planet. So, let's get started. Part 1. The history of the Earth. Let's start by exploring the earliest era of Earth's history, the Hadean. This era is named after the Greek god Hades, the god of the underworld, because the conditions on Earth during this time were so extreme. The surface of the planet was a molten magma ocean, and there were no continents or oceans. The atmosphere was composed of gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen, which were released by volcanic eruptions. The heat from the molten surface prevented the formation of a solid crust. The Archean era followed the Hadean and lasted from around 3.8 to 2.5 billion years ago. During this era, the Earth's crust began to solidify, and the first continents and oceans formed. The atmosphere became rich in oxygen, thanks to the evolution of photosynthetic bacteria, which released oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. This increase in oxygen led to the development of the ozone layer, which protected life on Earth from the harmful effects of ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The Phanerozoic era is the most recent era of Earth's history and is still ongoing. It began around 541 million years ago and is divided into three periods: the Paleozoic, the Mesozoic, and the Cenozoic. The Paleozoic era saw the evolution of early fish, reptiles, and insects, as well as the development of the first forests and the appearance of the first land animals. The Mesozoic era, also known as the Age of Dinosaurs, saw the rise and fall of the dinosaurs and the evolution of birds and mammals. The Cenozoic era is the current era and has seen the rise of modern mammals, including humans. The geology of the Earth. The Earth's crust is made up of several tectonic plates that move and interact with each other. The movement of these plates can cause volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and the formation of mountains. The Earth's crust is composed of different types of rocks, including igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation and cementation of sediment. And metamorphic rocks are formed from the transformation of existing rocks due to high temperature and pressure. The processes that shape the surface of the Earth include erosion and weathering. Erosion is the movement of rock and soil by wind, water, or ice, while weathering is the breakdown of rock into smaller pieces by physical, chemical, or biological means. The erosion and weathering of rock can create landforms such as canyons, valleys, and beaches. The atmosphere of the Earth. The Earth's atmosphere is composed of several layers, each with its own unique property. The lowermost layer is the troposphere, which is where weather occurs and where we live. The stratosphere is above the troposphere and contains the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The mesosphere and thermosphere are above the stratosphere and are characterized by decreasing air pressure and increasing temperature. The biosphere of the Earth. The biosphere is the part of the Earth where life exists. It includes all living organisms, as well as the physical and chemical factors that support them. The biosphere is composed of several interconnected ecosystems, including forests, oceans, grasslands, and deserts. These ecosystems are home to a diverse range of species, from microscopic bacteria to large mammals. One of the most important processes that occurs in the biosphere is photosynthesis. This process is carried out by plants and other photosynthetic organisms, and it involves the conversion of sunlight into chemical energy. This process produces oxygen, which is essential for the survival of most living organisms. The biosphere is also affected by human activities, including deforestation, pollution, and climate change. These activities have led to the loss of biodiversity, the degradation of ecosystems, and the disruption of natural processes. The future of the Earth. The Earth's future is shaped by a complex set of factors, including natural processes, human activities, and technological advances. One of the biggest challenges facing the Earth is climate change, which is caused by the increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Climate change has the potential to cause widespread environmental and social impacts, including rising sea levels, more frequent and intense natural disasters, and food and water scarcity. To address these challenges, scientists and policymakers are working on developing solutions that reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable development. This includes transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and implementing policies to protect biodiversity and ecosystems. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Earth is a complex and dynamic planet that has undergone significant changes throughout its history. From the Hadean era to the present day, the Earth has evolved in response to natural processes and human activities. Understanding the geology, atmosphere, biosphere, and future of the Earth is essential for addressing the environmental and social challenges facing our planet today. By working together to protect the Earth and promote sustainable development, we can ensure a brighter future for ourselves and future generations. Thank you for watching this video on the Earth. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. Until next time, this is Learnify TV, signing off.